Welcome to Hollywood Studios. My name is Anna. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. We have a new character to the vlog today. This is my cousin Ashley, and we're having a little girls' day at Hollywood Studios. We actually go on our annual family vacation starting tomorrow, so she drove down a day early to do Disney because we have been trying to make a Disney trip happen this spring and it didn't happen. So we're looping this in with the vacation and we're gonna go have a little park day. We don't know what all we're getting into today because she has a park hopper ticket and obviously I have an annual pass. So the options are endless. It is supposed to be very hot today though, so depending on the weather, we may be here all day, we may not be here all day. So I think first things first, we're gonna go get some breakfast, maybe a coffee, and we're gonna check the wait times because we did not get lightning lanes. We just decided we weren't gonna do that because we didn't know how long we were gonna be at each park. So we'll have to see what the wait times are like. Let's go. It is hot, ladies and gentlemen, already. It's not even 10 a.m. We have decided that the first stop is going to be Starbucks. That the 60-minute wait time for Slinky Dog was worth it. So we're gonna go get in line. And I know I already mentioned it, but it is hot today. The hair is gonna be up soon. Just rode Slinky and it was fun. The wait time was 60 minutes, but it was actually 50. I would say it was worth it. Now what? Now what? The hair is a lost cause. Clover, Pusha 03, Disney strap from Stony Clover, Magic Sunset buttons. You? Same. Okay, I was very terrible about updating this vlog, but it is very hot today. And we did get to ride our two rides that we were hoping to get, which was Slinky Dog and Tower of Terror, which for me is a love-hate. I love it, but I hate it the whole time. And we did get some lunch at ABC Commissary, And we were able to snag some good lightning lanes for Animal Kingdom, which I know most people don't use lightning lanes there, but we're hoping to make quick work of it. Let's go to Animal Kingdom. Cute. Before we leave, I do think I'm gonna go check one last Hollywood Studios pin board, see if they have anything fun. Since when is there no pin board in Tinseltown? Did I miss something? Nah. We are at Animal Kingdom. I'm very happy to be here because I have not been to this park in a bit. We have 3 lightning lanes, back to back to back. Let's get it. Mentioned to you guys that it's hot today.
On your right, you should be able to see the Aquatic.
Oh my gosh, that's
The saddle-billed stork gets its name from the yellow area near the top of the beak that kind of looks like the saddle that you would put on a horse. Pink-backed pelicans get their name from the pink area that comes up on their back during the mating season. Their wingspans range. Every zebra has a unique striping pattern. It notes you are exactly alike, just like we all have unique fingerprints. They have a honeycomb-like structure on the inside, and they run blood through that honeycomb-like. Visually identify it as an African elephant. If they flap their ears, is because the backside of the ear is packed with blood vessels. And by flapping their ears, they fan off those blood vessels, lowering their body temperature. For instance, to get that pink color we can see today. If you look at all these flamingos all the way at the end over here on the island, those are next. Left is the white rhino. The white rhino is the larger of the rhinos that live on the reserve. These can grow to be anywhere between 4 and 6,000 pounds.
Just rode Everest, and now we're waiting for about 5 more minutes until we can ride the river rapids, which I have never done, actually. It is so hot out here that I hope I get wet. And what else? Literally, the hair, terrible. The makeup, terrible. But the memories, good. It is so hot. I don't think I've taken a single photo of myself other than a selfie on Mount Everest. And that's just gonna have to be enough. And I think I've only traded 1 pin today. I got this cute little Bambi. Ashley, have you traded any at all? Ashley hasn't traded any pins, but this is our last lightning lane of the day. Maybe once we do that, we can trade some pins, walk around. We thought we were gonna stay for fireworks, but there's just no way. I mean, it's not even, it's barely even 4 o'clock. We just looked at each other and we're like, what time are the fireworks? So, yeah, no. And we have a whole week ahead of us of being hot and sweaty at the beach. So, I don't know. I feel like I need to find a glass of ice water somewhere. Not a glass, a cup of ice water somewhere before we get on the rapids. But yeah, that's the update. It is 96 degrees. I just checked. Wonder what the humidity is because, you know, it's not the heat, it's the humidity. It is... Oh, it says it's only 42% humidity, but I don't know about that. I think it's wrong. But we're about to go ride the rapids, so wish us luck. Maybe we won't get soaked.
I was not expecting that. Welcome back.
All right. I don't know if I've updated you guys since, but we got absolutely soaked on the Cali River Rapids. Which the only problem was I still have my bag with me, so I was very nervous about my bag. But we avoided getting the bag soaked. The shirts did not experience the same fate. But we did just buy some pin packs. So I think we're gonna do a little pin unboxing. My sweet husband Ian, that some of you might know from the vlogs, gave me some money and said to buy a pin pack. So I bought one mystery and then I got this to commemorate our little girls' day. Because I think it's so cute. You got Minnie and Daisy riding the teacup. We did not ride the teacup, but we rode the Cali River Rapids, which we're gonna pretend that's what this is. Alright, so I got the Imaginative Icons pack. Here are the options. Obviously, I would love to get Sorcerer Mickey just because he's fab, but I really don't care. I usually just get these mystery packs for traders. What pack did you get?
This is
Show the cam. Show the cam.
The Disney pins, and then these are the little options, all the little Mickey mini characters.
Alright, so we're gonna
I don't know if I get the Minnie or the Mickey.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Drum roll, please. If I can get it in my hand. I do not know. I don't know.
I in fact got these.
Oh, let me see. He's cute. Has a little popcorn bucket. Very cute, very cute. Alright, Ashley's 1 for 1, I'm 0 for 1.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Pack number 2.
This is a trader.
Rookie. There we go. Alright, let's see. Oh, cute! Mickey with the bubble ones.
Love it.
And then I got... Oh, cute! It's Genie.
I love
Which
that.
I just bought the most sick Genie t-shirt at a thrift store in St. Pete. This will probably be accompanying the Genie shirt on my next summer trip, which is in a few weeks.
That's
Cute.
a good one.
This is a cute one. I'll keep this one. The other one will be a trader. Ashley is not a local, so Ash, did you enjoy your Disney day?
Absolutely. We had a blast today.
Should we do anything else? It has been so hot. I really kind of wanted to do it all day, but I just don't think I can do it. And this way, if if we leave now, we can get home by dinner time and have real dinner instead of Disney chicken tenders and french fries. So, peace vlog.